So Drew and Russell are currently at our other shop getting everything ready.
Bill and Russell?
Bill and Russell, what'd I say?
Drew.
It's been a long day. So Drew, what do we have here?
It's 2022 CRF450R RS.
Oh!
Russell coming in hot.
Hi, Bill.
Here's the boss man.
Anyways, so
Anyway.
found the boss man now.
So, I just did good all without me today.
All without you today. Welcome back.
What do you got here?
I got paddles for this pretty bike.
Dude, that little purple action.
A little purple, more purple action.
Oh man, this thing is sweet. Digging the colors. Let's start it up.
I like it.
Not too bad, right?
It's got a lot of purple on it.
How does it look in the camera right now? Because it's so hard for the camera to actually capture the color.
It looks purple in the camera right now.
Yeah. Sometimes it looks almost like a pinkish purple, but it's not at all. So we put a blue flake clear on this purple, and man, when you get it in the sunlight, it pops like crazy. Yeah, guys, you got a 2022 CRF450R right here, converted to a trike. Every once in a while, we get a customer that wants a complete custom color scheme, and we can do that on just about any bike. In this case, he wanted purple. So it's really hard to have a seat cover match to the frame purple, so we ended up going with a multi-tone here. So we tried our best to get the graphics to match the seat, and we threw a little bit of a striping in here that was closer to the frame, but I think it tied together pretty well. It's something different. We haven't done one like this yet. You guys have seen some wacky colors in the past, but I think this thing is super clean. You just don't see purple Hondas ever.
No.
Yeah, we got our full trike conversion kit on here. Everything from custom rear end. So we're using the CRF linkage, pivot, and shock to a TRX450R rear end. We've got a custom subframe right here. Allows us to run the dual exhausts. So we actually modify the mid pipes, get them all cut for the exhausts. You guys can see we actually did powder coat the battery box too to match. And it's all TRX450R rear plastic and seat. Made it to the 2022 CRF450 RS chassis. And got our custom billet swivel clamps on here, right down to a billet hub. So this was actually powder coated too. It's not every day we cover up the billet, but you can zoom in right here and actually see the coating on the hub. Don't always like to cover that up, but when you're trying to color match all the colors from the beadlock rings to the frame, subframe, we did the rear shock spring too. Just all the little touches right down to the headlight. It just kind of came all together. Got our billet protection on here. A lot of guys ask about skid plates on these trikes. So we have a billet caliper bracket with rotor guard. This guard is actually removable with 3 bolts, so if you ever wear it out, it pops off in about 2 seconds. Got the billet sprocket guard on here. Man, look at that spring. Get a good shot of that. Super clean. So I'm excited to see what pictures he gets this weekend riding out in the dunes. So as you guys saw, we got some paddle tires set up for him. And yeah, he's gonna basically pick this thing up today, get the thing all set, and I'm sure he's gonna be swapping these tires right out and going right to the dunes. But yeah, nice bike overall, man. I think it turned out pretty good. Comment, let me know what you guys think. Again, if you want to order a custom bike, I don't care if it's green, pink, whatever, we can do them. We've got about 200 different colors in stock. We just don't advertise it. It's just, we've been powder coating for about 15 years now. So I have a plethora of colors available for our builds. And anything you can dream up, I'm pretty sure we can build it. So, all right guys, well, it's gonna be a short one today. Got a lot going on right now. We're just trying to hammer these builds out as fast as possible. We got a CRF450R coming up here shortly. It's a ATC 250R with a 500 motor swapped into it, so you're definitely going to want to subscribe to the channel and check that out. And definitely stay tuned for the next videos. So we're bringing this back inside, get it wiped down, get it ready for our customer. He's coming down here in a couple hours and get this thing ready to go.